Speaking about saying thank you, may I take this opportunity to thank your Batch 84 for entrusting yours truly, for hosting your 40th year grand reunion. I'm very honored and humbled to have hosted your batch reunion. And of course, to put it all together, I'd like to call your batch president, Sir Robertson, for the closing message. Sir.
Eto na tayo. The grand finale. I promise you a twist. Eto na yon. Walang audio, Gene. Pakilakas ng konting-konti lang. Alam nyo guys, hindi magtatapos ang isang reunion kung walang kumanta nitong song na to. Tonight, meron akong isang sorpresa para sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo? Please, welcome on stage, Mr. Raymond Lauchenko! Hindi natin na-sign yung contract. Hindi siya pupunta. Paano na to? Nasa labas. Okay lang ba kung kantahin ko na lang? Okay lang ba? Used to be frightened and scared to try things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry. We're crazy now that the end is already here. We reminisce about old years and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. My friends, with you. Ladies and gentlemen, Lily, Wilson, Vicky, and Judith. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. Not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Audience, join us! Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Somebody! Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I let go. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you, my friends, with only you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, batchmates.
We love you.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you for coming.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Maraming salamat sa inyo, batchmates, for joining us tonight. Thank you, thank you. Our past 2 years have been very, very wonderful. We totally enjoyed being here, entertaining all of you. Please join us. I'd like to thank a couple of people here. Our sponsors, thank you very much. Delbert, thank you. Nelson, thank you. Carlos, thank you. And I have our host, Shahim Abraham, please take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, on the control booth, our event organizer, Miss Jean Go. Ladies and gentlemen, your batch choir, headed by Manuel Yu. Our singing trio, Miss Jacqueline Jose Dindam, Jacqueline Yap Villamora, Johnson Base, and Eddie Tio. Sabayan ko ba to? Ladies and gentlemen, the Zoom Buddies. Ladies and gentlemen, please, for the last time, say thank you to Miss Judith C. Mr. Wilson C., our treasurer, please take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our secretary, Miss Vicky Beratan. And of course, my partner in crime, Miss Lily C. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Robertson C. This is your 40th anniversary grand reunion. Together, we are Batch 84! Perfect! Thank you very much, batchmates. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stay tuned for our after party. Walang iba kundi ang Neo Colors will take the stage. Salamat, batchmates!